Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got Free Watch Face Tuesday for you. Now, I think you're gonna like these. They're in the Gear Manager store, and I think they're worthy of a download. With that, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and I got a couple of nice watch faces for you all to check out. Now, these watch faces are for a limited time offer. You're going to find them in the Gear Manager store homepage, so make sure you download right after the video. They're worthy of the download, trust me. Now, the name of the first watch face is called SSOM Dynamic 1, and I'm liking the look of this watch face. And always on mode, it's just going to be blackened down for the Gears 3, and for the Gears 2 it's going to have a different look. And I think the Gears 2 always on display mode looks a little bit better than that of the Gears 3, but you're still going to get the important information that you need to see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is turned on, it has a very good look. You get your heart rate at the top. You also get your step info, steps, calories burned, miles walked or ran. You're going to get info on your battery. That's going to be the top meter. And then there's one right up under the bottom, but because I haven't been anywhere, it's not showing. But that's going to be for your step goal completed. Then it gives you a number info for your battery life. Okay, down at the bottom, you are going to get a digital time along with your month and your date. And you also get a PM and an AM stamp, which I thought was definitely a good look. And then you get the month down at the bottom, and it is inactive. So if I tap here, I can get information on my steps, calories burned. If I tap here, I can find my phone. I mean, this thing offers quite a bit. I can set an alarm. This is really nice. I'm really liking the look of this. I think you're gonna like it, especially considering that it's free for the taking, only for a limited time. So make sure you download right away. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is called SSOM Dynamic 2. So it's a part 2 to 1, and always on mode. It's going to have that same type of look. Again, I think the Gear 2 AOD looks a little bit better than the Gear 3, but it's all about being able to have the important info that you see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, again, it's a black watch face for the most part. It's an analog / digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your step goal. I have not completed anything just yet because I'm off. Okay. Again, you have the second hand is going around the bezel of the watch. You get your step info. You also get your digital time, and if you tap on that, you can go in and get your calendar. And you have shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch, like your music. You can make a phone call. You got a few and all to choose from. Alarm. I'm liking the look of this watch face. I do like the style of it. And again, I do love to have the best of both worlds. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face and if you're going to go ahead and download it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.